Hello from Slovenia again. I have some colors left from yesterday and they are pretty thin because we did kind of Dutch pour with Marina. And I saw Karen from Waterfall Acrylics that she does this, probably it was a bloom mixture, I'm pretty sure, kind of a smear or swipe. And I will try to do something like that. So I will just put some of this green gold and some 24 karat gold on top, and maybe a little bit that I have left, this base color from yesterday. It's kind of flash tint, self-mixed flash tint, or how can I say, just something, add something. And this is Pebeo iridescent green blue. And this is Abstract brand iridescent bronze, and I will try to not to add a lot of this color. And Vandyke brown from Amsterdam. Okay, and I will grab this palette knife and add some white cell activator on this palette knife. So I'm just experimenting, because when you see something that you like, you want to try. So this will be my trying to do something, I don't know what, today. And as I said, this paint is really thin because it was for a Dutch pour, so we will see what will happen. I just want to go here, over here once more. Okay, and I get really weird things happen here. Let's see. What will happen if I stretch this, because paint is really thin, as I said. I miss a lot of my colors. Don't like this part here. It's kind of weird. So what I will do now, I will just pour maybe just a little black first. No, I will go here. It's again experimenting day. You see how thin this paint is? A little bit of gold. Not a little bit, it's quite a bit. This kind of turquoisey shade. Some of this bronze. Vandyke brown. And I will add some white cell activator that I have left. And I will grab my, oh sorry, world's smallest blower. And of course I will lose this white here that it is kind of a middle of the bloom, but I don't mind because I'm not going for a bloom. I have way too much gold. Obviously will be that day again that I just try to do this and that and this and that, and sometimes I get some nice result, but don't know what will happen today. Really don't like this middle at all. Let's pour some black here. Okay. And I will switch my colors this time. I will add a little of pearl white here. Okay, and I will add this Pebeo one and gold and without the bronze. Okay, hope that I have a little bit of this white left. And now it's empty. And I will grab my Hairdryer and see. wasn't going for a Dutch pour, so I was going just for some abstract painting. Okay, and I will leave it because I like it. Maybe just okay. A little bit of this and a little bit of that and a little bit of everything, and I think that I really want to do a Dutch pour that will look just like that. You see, just this part is just stunning for my taste, I would really want to be able to... Oh, sorry guys, I will take you for a close-up. You know that I always have a little problem. So, see this part? This is the part that I would love to see in my Dutch pour, but I definitely am not disappointed in this painting, because I really like a lot of parts, because it has some really beautiful details. See this part here. It's really beautiful, and some interesting things here, but this is my definitely favorite part. So again, something that wasn't something that I planned, but still like it. So this is how it looks when you play with your paints, experiment, because fluid art, it takes a lot of experiments and mixing and trying techniques to get to the stage that you are comfortable enough. But even though when you are comfortable enough, you still have to experiment and trying new things, and sometimes you get a nice painting, sometimes you don't. But I'm really happy with this one because I love it, because I love this look, kind of earthy with some water and stones and everything. So I love it and I will keep it. So this was it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.